Well, guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making some Jamaican steamed fish my way. So let's go and cook with me. Well, guys, welcome back. So today I'll be showing you guys how I make my steamed fish. Of course, everybody make their steamed fish differently. So this is how I make my steamed fish. So let's just do a ingredients rundown. So in my ingredients that I have is some pumpkin, some white onion, some okra, some carrots, some green pepper, sweet bell peppers, and some thyme and some scallion. I also got some potato in a bowl because I don't want it to change color. I've added in a bowl and just add a bit of lemon in there. I also have my pumpkin soup mix and my fish tea soup mix as well. And of course I've got my fish. I've got 3 snapper. I have washed these in lemon and some vinegar, and I've let it soak for a while in the water and then strain those water off. So now I'm going to season this and then show you guys how I make my steamed fish. So let's start off by seasoning our fish. I've got some Maggi fish seasoning. So I'm just going to put it on my fish. I'm going to put some inside of my fish as well. And I've also slit my fish on one side, and I'm just going to put some of the seasoning in between the slit I did. So inside of my fish, the side, and in between the slit. So that's the fish seasoning. I'm going to put a bit of all-purpose seasoning. Ooh. Bit of the all-purpose seasoning. Rub it in between and rub it on our fish. Rub it inside, but be careful of the bone. Right, so that's how I season my fish. I'm now gonna let that sit for a bit, then I'm gonna go ahead and steam it. Okay guys, so my oven is on, my stove is on. So now I am going to add some water to my pot or pan, however you want to say it. So that's about a cup and a half of water. In there I'm going to add some of my ingredients that I prepared earlier. So I'm going to add my pumpkin because that takes longer to cook. So I'm adding my pumpkin. I'm also going to add my potato. So that's my pumpkin. I'm going to add my potato. Add my potatoes. I'm going to add some fresh thyme. Not all of it, just some of the fresh thyme. My Scotch bonnet pepper, and I'm also going to add a bit of my fish tea, but I don't want the noodle that's at the bottom, so I'm just going to use a strainer and just add just the powder rather than the noodle. To that I'm adding some butter. And I'm going to let this boil for about 10 minutes, 10-12 minutes, until the pumpkin is nice and soft, so probably medium to soft, before I add the remaining of my ingredients. I'm going to let that simmer or boil for 10 minutes. So guys, this has been cooking for about 8 minutes. I added my pumpkin soup mix as well into this. So I'm just going to let it simmer down for a bit longer. Let's test the potato isn't quite as cooked, so I'm just going to let it boil down a bit longer. And the pumpkin is getting there. It's not quite cooked, but it's getting there. I'm going to let this boil down for another 4 to 5 minutes. Okay guys, so this is finished now. I'm going to add my remaining ingredients. So in here I'm going to add my onions, my carrots, and bell peppers, the remaining of my thyme, and my scallion. I'm just going to taste the sauce or the liquid. So I'm going to add a bit of fish seasoning to it. Of all-purpose and a bit of salt. And to this I'm now going to add my fish and my okra as well. And I'm going to add my okra. Now this takes about 10 minutes to steam, so I'm going to let it steam, cover it and let it steam for about 10. Okay guys, so my fish has been steaming for about 10 minutes, 10-12 minutes. So for the last 2 minutes or so I'm just going to add some water crackers. This is optional, but I like my stewed fish with crackers. So I'm going to add a few crackers. And I'm just going to let that turn my stove off and just let that crackers just absorb some of that sauce and liquid. Let that absorb and then our fish should be ready. Okay guys, so my steamed fish is ready. I'm now gonna serve it on a plate and let you guys see my steamed fish and how I make it. Guys, please remember to subscribe, like and share my videos. Please check out my last videos as well, and please continue to support. I really appreciate it. But anyways, let's go back to our steamed fish. So this is my steamed fish. I'm going to share it out and make you guys have a look at how delicious this steamed fish is. So guys, this is my steamed fish, nice and ready with my okra and my water crackers. This is how I make my steamed fish. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like and share. Leave your comments, it's all appreciated, and remember to subscribe guys, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.